To make a 1 1/4 inch split ring keychain, you need a shell, graphic, mylar, colette, VersaBack, white plastic tab, and a split ring keychain. We'll start with the pickup die facing me. Insert the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up, the graphic on top of the shell, the mylar on top of the graphic, rotate the die table around, insert the colette into the crimp die, sharp side up, pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle back up, rotate the die table around, pull the handle down a second time, lift the handle up, remove the button from the machine, snap in the VersaBack, and attach the tab to the keychain and attach that to the VersaBack. Just snaps right in.